Alright guys, I am back. What's up? You got beef?
What's up? You got beef?
What's up, BINGE Baes? It's your girl Blake, and I'm back with another video. Hey! And today, guys, I'm starting my day a little late. I got up early, of course. I'm just tired from yesterday. Yesterday, I went to my parents' house and went through a bunch of stuff and brought this desk home and put it together, and then I started doing all this other stuff. And so I also am on like this organization kick right now. So I am about to order these shelving units for my inventory that I have here at my house, the binge inventory, because I currently have it where when I used to do pop-ups, it will be easy for me to like take it and go because they're in these like traveling packs. But I don't do pop-ups anymore ever since COVID. Like I have not been participating in any pop-ups. And plus I've realized that if you don't have like a steady team of people with you that like know every pop-up, we're working, we're doing this, we're doing that, it just works when you have like a team. And I don't have a team to pay right now, so I'm not doing pop-ups right now, but I am thinking of doing this online pop-up. Comment below if you think that's a good idea. I was thinking about doing that, especially because I have just like some winter stuff that I want to get rid of, and so I'll make it like a whole sale thing on social media. I'll probably do it on Facebook because I have more followers on Facebook than on any other social platform except for Pinterest. I gotta lie. But I don't think you can do live streaming on Pinterest. If I could do live streaming on Pinterest, baby. Because I have like 177,000 monthly viewers on Pinterest. I wish I could say the same for YouTube. We're getting there. Anyways, guys, make sure you like and share. Share my videos. You know, if you chuckled at something, share it with your cousin. Share it with your auntie. You know, the people that might enjoy my videos probably aren't the younger people. It will probably be mid to late 20s up through 50s that might enjoy my content. So share it with your auntie. I don't mind being an auntie. I don't mind. I'm not a niece. I'm an auntie, okay? Well, I'm kind of a mixture. I have some niece tendencies. Anyways, guys, so I'm about to order this shelving unit, and it's gonna be for my inventory. And then I'm gonna do some editing to try to drop at 3 o'clock. I'm running a little late today. And then I'm gonna take you guys with me to the grocery store because I have to go to the grocery store and get a few things because tomorrow is supposed to snow. Well, at midnight tonight it's supposed to snow. So, I mean, we have food, but I need to get some more. I need some stuff to cook specifically, and then some more almond milk and just a couple of things. So I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, guys, I cannot wait till next week when I get my lashes and my everything done. Baby, my husband's taking off work so that mama can have a day to herself, and I am just so grateful. But you know what? It's not gonna be a day to ourselves because guess what?
I'm taking you with me.
See you guys in the next. Y'all, look at all these daggone cars. See, this is what I get for waiting in the afternoon. This is crazy. So yeah, your girl about to go up in this thing and get these groceries. Got my key. Alright, let me go. I didn't even put on no shoes, y'all. Look at me. I have on slides and socks. I didn't even feel like putting no shoes on. It was like, I don't know why I was thinking that maybe, why are there hawks out here? It's crazy. It's crazy. Somebody is blasting the Osley brothers. Come through, Osley. But yeah, your girl's about to get some shopping done before it starts snowing tonight. Because everybody named Mama is out here. Y'all know I usually go to the grocery store early in the morning. So, yeah, let's get this shopping done. I don't need anything over there, but I'm not gonna get those right now. We already got some space. I'll see you guys in a second. Parked looking right now. I will never come to the grocery store this late in the day. It's like 2 something, 3 o'clock. I would never. It's not that bad. I just got in line and I only have one person in front of me. So, yeah, guys, I'm about to be up out of here. See you in a second. Woo child. Your girl just got finished grocery shopping, and now I'm in my car. Period. Let me call my son so he can get ready to get these groceries up out this car. Alright guys, I am back. He all in my face, y'all. What's up? You got beef? I didn't think so, period. Anyways, guys, I'm back in the house. I'm about to start editing. The groceries are put away. Yeah, it's past 3 o'clock, which is my usual my usual upload time, but I'm still gonna upload today, so then there's that. Giuseppe. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Oh my. So this is what he likes to do. He likes to get up on my shoulder. He's so precious. Look at him. He just a precious little man. Oh, you want to go outside? Have you gone outside yet? You need to go outside. You want the Binge kids to take you? Oh. You want to go outside, Zeppy? Look, Zeppy. He's waiting on Ava. He's waiting on Ava. Watch. Ava come get him. He mad. Oh, he's so cute. They're going outside. I'm about to start editing this video, which it shouldn't take me too long to edit. I should be uploading in the next hour or so, okay? And yeah, guys, see you guys in the next clip. That's what I be doing, y'all. I be cooking, listening to music, and yeah, I'm just making some spaghetti tonight. Yeah. All right, let's see what the rest of the house is doing. They're gaming. They're all gaming. Remember that desk that I got from my parents' house? So it's right here in Ava's room. And then we're gonna get her a new dresser. And yeah, her room will be redone. Daddy just got home.
Down.
Amazon's here?
Right. I think it's my bracelet. It's my name.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's your Amazon account. That's funny. I can't take it. The Amazon boxes with your name on it.
Right.
I'm like, what came from me? All right, guys. See you in the next clip. All right, guys. Let me pause this real quick. So our spaghetti is done. So these are the kids' plates, and I used ground turkey. Quick question, Binge Baes, do you guys use sugar or no sugar? Comment below. I use 1/2 of a cup of sugar, and it just, what it does is it pretty much cuts the acidity of the tomatoes, that little twang. It just kind of settles that out, and it still tastes like spaghetti. It's just not, I just put a little bit, so it makes it taste so much better. I love it. Anyways, guys, I'm about to give the kids their food, and that pretty much wraps up my day and this vlog. If you like this vlog, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're a new binge bae, let me know down in the comments below so I can shout you out in the next video. And binge on something positive today, you guys, and we'll see you in another video.